Have you ever imagined a motorcycle that changes color every time you move around it? Well, Yamaha has just turned that idea into reality with one of the most eye-catching MT-09 upgrades we've ever seen. Introducing the new Vio-Mirage exterior kit, a limited edition finish that transforms from a rich violet to a brilliant blue depending on the angle of light. It's not a wrap or a special film. It's an advanced paint technology that gives the MT-09 a completely different personality under every lighting condition. The secret lies in Yamaha's brand new Ultra Miracreate paint process. Unlike conventional paint systems that focus mainly on the clear coat, this technology creates an exceptionally smooth surface from the very first base layer. The result is deeper color, higher brightness, and a stunning mirror-like finish that perfectly complements the aggressive styling of the MT-09. Even more impressive, the Vio-Mirage kit is produced using Yamaha's first carbon-neutral paint line, proving that cutting-edge design and environmental responsibility can go hand in hand. The mysterious purple-blue combination also fits perfectly with Yamaha's iconic Dark Side of Japan philosophy while paying tribute to the legendary MT-01 concept. Interestingly, this wasn't a project led by Yamaha's design studio. Instead, it was proposed by the manufacturing team to demonstrate what their new eco-friendly, low-temperature painting technology could achieve. Applying such a complex color-shifting finish to the curved fuel tank is considered a major engineering challenge, and Yamaha believes very few manufacturers could replicate it. Because photos can't fully capture the effect, Yamaha even recommends displaying the bike outdoors under natural sunlight, where the dramatic color transition truly comes alive. The Vio-Mirage exterior kit will be released in limited numbers starting in October 2026. Priced at around 148,500 yen, or approximately $914 including tax, it's aimed at riders who want their MT-09 to stand out from every angle. And this may be just the beginning, as Yamaha plans to expand the Ultra Miracreate paint technology to future models.